the cook was a black South African woman who had been taught Lithuanian Jewish cooking.
Yeah, that was very common. And you wouldn't hear all the gossip, because where we lived, it was predominantly Jewish. At one time, I think nearly every house on the blocks down below, every other house were Jewish households, and the maids were friendly. So as a kid, you would go into the kitchen, and there would be the maid from this household, who my parents might not be friendly with, but the maids were friendly, and they would sit and they would kibitz about what was going on in the household, and I would go in there, and you would hear the gossip about the neighbors.
Would they kibitz in English?
Yeah, they were all in Xhosa, which is their African tongue, but they would speak mainly in English, and you would know what was going on if someone was going away, if there were problems in the house. The maids knew everything, and they would share it with each other. You knew who kept kosher, who didn't keep kosher. You knew everything through the maids. The maids knew more about each other's households than I think the people who lived there.